Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to record in slow motion on the Samsung Galaxy A3. This phone does not have the capability to record it in slow motion built in. You can, however, use many of the online tools. They will, unfortunately, not yield the best results, as they cannot increase the frame rate of the camera. I will demonstrate the usage of one such tool. You can go to Play Store, search up slow motion, use the app of your choosing, install it and try using it. Once inside such tools, you can simply start, choose a movie, and pick any of your recordings, then possibly choose the speed at which you want to have that video. Then it's going to process the video and you might end up with what you want. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.